Welcome, my friends. I'm Miroslav, and today we're going to be making stuffed mushrooms. You're going to need 12 to 15 mushrooms, 8-ounce cream cheese, 2 tablespoons fresh parsley, 1/4 cup Italian breadcrumbs, 1/2 cup shredded Parmesan cheese, 5 cloves garlic minced, 1/2 tablespoon salt and 1/2 tablespoon pepper. We're going to start by taking stems out of the mushrooms. We're going to use mushroom stems to make a fill. Cut the stems in very small pieces. Add a little bit of olive oil, about 2 tablespoons. Add mushroom stems. Then we're going to mince garlic. And then cook all that for about a minute. Take it off the stove and set it on the side. Now we're going to mix the fill. Start with cream cheese and just soften it a little bit with the mixer. Then add the rest of the ingredients. I use Italian breadcrumbs, but you can use any that you like. Mushroom stems, Parmesan cheese, salt and pepper, and fresh parsley. And start mixing with the mixer to unite everything. And then mix it by hand to make it almost like pâté. Stuff each mushroom with about 1 spoon of fill, depending on the size of the mushroom. Stuff inside the mushroom and then add a little bit extra on top. And then just repeat for all mushrooms. And if you have any leftover fill, just add a few mushrooms. Now add Parmesan cheese on top and stick it with your fingers a little bit. Preheat your oven on 350 and bake it for 20 minutes. When you get it out, let it cool down, and this is it. You have an incredible appetizer. It tastes incredible. You have to make it yourself. Enjoy. I hope you enjoy cooking with me. Please click like, and if you're new to this channel, click subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.